Bananas go squish. We'll look closely, feel it squish, and use our noses. Welcome to exploring food with our senses. Adults, please supervise and check for allergens. Grab your food, a mess mat, and a towel. Pause anytime you need. B is for banana. Banana. Let's explore with our eyes and talk about what we see. My banana extends past my hand. It's a large fruit. How big is your banana? Bananas are long with a slight curve, like a smile. My banana is yellow. What colors do you see? When bananas first grow, they're green, not ripe yet. Then they turn yellow when they're sweet and ready to eat. After a while, they get brown spots as they become overripe. When you see a banana with lots of brown spots, that might be a good time to ask your grown-up to make banana bread. Take a moment to look closely and notice your banana. Now, let's explore with our hands and talk about what we feel. My banana has a narrow green stem at the top. Look at the bottom. It has a brown tip that feels rough. The skin of the banana feels smooth and rubbery. Gently press on your banana. Does it give a little? Mine does because the inside is soft. Take a moment to feel the different parts of your banana. What do you notice? Let's explore with our ears and talk about what we hear. Start by peeling your banana. Listen closely. What sound does it make? Now take a banana slice and press into it. Mine makes a soft squish sound. Try gently tapping your banana, the peel, the inside, or slice with your finger or a plastic spoon. What do you hear? Are there any other sounds you can make with your banana? Take a moment to listen and explore the sounds your banana makes. Next, let's explore with our nose and talk about what we smell. My banana smells sweet and a little tropical. What does your banana smell like to you? Take a moment to sniff your banana and notice its scent. Lastly, let's explore with our mouths and talk about what we taste. There are a lot of ways to taste a banana. Some people peel it and take little bites. Some people eat banana slices with their fingers. Some people enjoy banana puree or banana in a silicone snack bag. Take a taste if your adult says it's okay. My banana tastes sweet and creamy. What does your banana taste like to you? Take a moment to notice its flavor. Thanks for joining me in exploring Bananas Go Squish. Get ready for next time when we discover that cake is soft. Until then, may you learn and thrive. With love from Care Thriving Kids.